In this video, you will learn how to calculate standard error in Microsoft Excel. You can see here I have the data about the vitamin D retention, and I have conducted this experiment during different storage days, and the data is displayed here. I am interested to calculate the standard error. Standard error is the standard deviation divided by square root of number of values. So let's start this tutorial. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data to save time. There is no formula in Excel to calculate standard error, so you have to generate your formula. We have already discussed that the standard error is the standard deviation divided by square root of value. Excel has formula to calculate standard deviation as well as square root, so we will use that one. To calculate standard error, simply select this cell where you want to display the result, put equal sign, and write standard deviation STDEV. Select this one, double click on it, select the range of cell. I am interested to calculate standard error of these three values. I will select this one, close this bracket. Now we have already discussed that standard error is the standard deviation divided by square root of number of values. I will write divided sign, square root SQRT, double click on it, square root of number of values. You can simply write 3 because we have 3 number of values. If you have large number of values, then you can write count. Double click on it, select the range of cell, close the bracket, then again close the bracket. Now we have completed the formula. Standard error is the standard deviation of these values divided by square root of number of values. Count mean Excel will count the number of cells and number of values, and after that we have closed the bracket. After completing this formula, simply press enter and Excel will calculate the standard error of this data. And if you are interested to calculate the standard error of remaining cells, simply select this one. Place your cursor at the corner. When plus sign appear, drag it down for remaining rows and Excel will automatically calculate the standard error for remaining data. So by doing so, you can easily calculate standard error in Microsoft Excel. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.